Clarendon laborer confessed to taking the life of elderly farmer charge. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Police have formally charged a man with murder of 62-year-old farmer Edward Grant, whose body was found with stab wounds in Crooked River, Clarendon on Monday, August the 1st. The man, Darren Simmet, aged 38, a laborer of Crooked River, was charged with murder after he reportedly turned up at the Chapperton police station and confessed to killing Grant, who was also from the Crooked River community. It is reported that at about midday on August the 1st, Grant left his house for his farm. Residents got suspicious when the farmer did not return home and subsequently lodged a search for him. His body was found about 9:30 p.m. with multiple stab wounds. The police were alerted and the body removed to the morgue. The police said that Simmet the following day reported at the police station and confessed to the crime. He was subsequently placed into custody and gave a caution statement in the presence of two justices of the peace confessing to the murder. He was subsequently charged. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.